So here are the drawings of GTA V characters. GTA V protagonists as Dandy World's tunes. But this Franklin thing right here would just be the same dog species as his friend Chop. His pet Chop. But we'll just skip it. This is Michael. He's a tennis ball, and this is Trevor as a jerry can. So here are the trinkets. But the Frank, you can just get the idea of the trinket of what their trinkets are, and but except for Trevor, I already got that trinket idea, and it's a strange stew because in when using this trinket, it would gain 15. It would gain 30 times the movement speed of both walk and run, but also remove the but also the but also loses stealth. It had some I maybe forget, I don't know. Maybe just one thing that the strange stew would give the player fifth 25 movement speed, I guess. But you need to get ideas of the trinkets of Franklin and Michael DeSanta. Let's go. Franklin requires 4,500 iCore to get Michael DeSanta, and definitely 75%. I mean, all all mastery of Tegan and Trevor 3,200 iCore and all mastery for Shrimpo.